Look at this glaziness of that leaves. It cooked very well. If you feel like, and especially if you like spicy food, and if you feel like having a spicy dish, this is a easy addition. And with the rice, ghee, and this one, it tastes so good. I guarantee that you can make it with any leaves, or you can make it with the soft vegetables like zucchini or Indian vegetables like this is done. So I'm going to uh, serve this into a dish now. Hello everyone, welcome to my cooking channel, Meta's Healthy Veg Kitchen. Today again I got some moringa leaves from my plant. It's not a lot. I washed it, removed all the stems, and kept it ready. It is almost 1 cup of it, so it's a very little quantity. So I decided to make a spicy dish out of it, which is probably a spicy chutney. Let's add some oil first to the hot pan. I'm adding some spices for this. A pinch of cumin first. Into that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of dal, the chana dal, and you can add urad dal also. But today for a change I thought, okay, I will make it with split green gram. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon of split green gram, just toasting it in oil little bit. And you can add red chilies at this point, curry leaves, but anyway it's a moringa leaf, so I am not adding curry leaves today. And it's once it's dark I don't pick curry leaves from my plant. Started roasting. Once the aroma starts come, then you know it is ready. Yes, the smell started coming. So once it gets little color, I will take it out and powder it first before I add my other ingredients. This gives the base of that spice mix. You can see I'm keeping the oil. I'm just taking the dals out. Now we have other things to roast here in that oil. I may add little more oil also. Adding a little bit of more oil. I am putting some onions into that. Once it cool down, we will grind it into a spice paste. As usual, for the onions to cook fast, I am adding a little salt, 1/4 teaspoon. We'll cook these onions fast. Okay, this is done now. So I'm adding 1 teaspoon of red chili, little bit of turmeric. This is cooled down now. I'm making a paste now. All this together, and I have little bit of tamarind, which again I am adding. We are roasting again onions in this pan. I'm going to add more. I'm adding a little more oil, and we are adding some garlic. and some onions. Let's saute it. Let it cook slowly. Meantime, we are going to prepare our masala mix. Everything I am putting in the mixer jar. I am making a paste. This is onions, red chili powder, turmeric, and dal, and a pinch of cumin, and tamarind also. Onions are cooking. I have my spice mix. It is spicy, so I'm going to cook it in a little bit oil first, and once the oil separates, I will add my moringa leaves. I added the spice mix into that. So let me mix it with the onions. Since it's spicy, you can add some sugar into that. Sugar means brown sugar. But what I'm adding is, I'm adding a little bit ketchup, so it will give some color also. I want it looking more spicier than I added that. A teaspoon of. Now I am adding my moringa leaves into it. I reduced the temperature a little bit, but I am increasing it. I'll explain why I added ketchup into that. Ketchup has sweetness in it, and again it will add some tomato flavor. We didn't add any tomato. Now we have to cook it. This is a very spicy, tangy, maybe moringa leaf, I would say chutney, probably for rice or chapati. If you feel like you want some spicy thing, you can have this. I'm melting the garlic into that. Thank you friends for watching my video. Look at this glaziness of that leaves. It cooked very well. If you feel like, and especially if you like spicy food, and if you feel like having a spicy dish, this is a easy addition. And with the rice, ghee, and this one, it tastes so good. I guarantee that you can make it with any leaves, or you can make it with the soft vegetables like zucchini or Indian vegetables like this is done. So I'm going to uh, serve this into a dish now. Thank you for watching my video, friends. I had a taste of it. It is spicy, tangy, very tasty with the rice and ghee. Enjoy this recipe. If you have anything, if you crave for some spiciness, this is the one dish you can go for. And again, this is very easy and quick recipe. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any comments, please let me know. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you. We'll see you in another good recipe like this. Okay.